Hey babes, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shantae. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button located right below this video. Come join the family. I love to talk shit. I love to do my hair. I love to do a bunch of different things because of ADHD, but we're gonna bring you along for the journey every step of the way. Now, this video, I want to do some hair wrap styles because I haven't done some hair wrap styles in a minute, and it is one of my most watched videos here on my channel. So I decided to come back and revamp it because it's been a couple years, and I haven't done well with my natural hair. So since she has grown out in her full-on glory, I might as well go ahead and update y'all on what we got going on. So I did a wash and go 3 days ago. It's been raining for like 4 days straight now, and she didn't last past day 2. And since I've been going to the gym, because you know your girl's trying to be healthy, lose a little bit of weight, get off of them high blood pressure pills, wearing her just out in natural has really been working for me because of all of the sweat and the humidity. And I'ma just rock with her. I'ma rock with her. You know, until we put some braids back into her. But I like to take a month on, a month off when it comes to protective styles. I like to do a month of braids or wigs or twists, whatever it may be. And then next month I'm doing braid outs, twist outs, wash and go. But before we get started, I'm gonna do my makeup real quick because I don't want to be looking busted, crusted, and disgusted on here. All right, so I picked up 3 of my hair wrap scarves, and I purchased my hair wrap scarves off of Amazon, and it comes with like a pack of them. I have it tagged in my Amazon storefront if you would love to check it out, and it'll also be tagged down below in the description box for a quick link. Super stretchy, came with so many freaking colors. They're really long and they have a nice width to them. The first one, which is the all hair wrap styles, is our fluffy pineapple. And since we're in the midst of summer, I love seeing pineapples out around this time of the year. And an old wash and go makes for the perfect pineapple to me. Take my satin headband, and I'm going to use this as my hair tie to create my pineapple. And what I'm going to do is take it and wrap it around twice and then snap it all in one to create a high puff. And boom, just like that. Okay, and since it has a satin material, it doesn't pull, and it gives you this nice hold without the headache.
At break, are you looking for a new shave routine that leaves you feeling luxurious and soft as a cloud? Truly Beauty has the best products to keep your skin glowing through the summer with this Cocoa Cloud shaving routine. Check out more Truly products by clicking the link in the right-hand corner.
Now with this style, I love to wear big and bold earrings because I feel like it gives more of a statement to your jewelry and earring pieces. I don't know what it is about this style. It just gives me like just queen energy. All right, now we're going to move into the next style. Now this one is going to consist of a low ponytail instead of the high one. I'm gonna do one more. We're gonna go ahead and end this tutorial. So I'm gonna do a 4th style. Now for this one, this is for my ladies who don't want to put their hair in a ponytail. You don't want to really restrict your fro. So for this one, I'm gonna bring it right across the forehead. These are some of my favorite go-to ways to style my beautiful curls with my head wraps. One of my things I love about head wraps, it just reminds people of the blackness, because it will not be ignored. I'm showing up, showing out, and I'm making room. Move, make space. And the links are down below for these head wraps and other accessories needed to complete these looks. We will see y'all on another one. Blessed and be safe.